Okay guys, we're going to do a problem that's a little bit more difficult. Solving systems by graphing. Now, neither one of them has the y by itself, so we need to get it into slope-intercept form. We need to make them both look like y equals mx plus b. We did this in the bell ringer last week also, so we're going to take this first one. And we need it y by itself. So what we'll do is we're going to send the 2x over to the other side, and remember when it jumps over the equal sign it becomes a negative. So we get y equals negative 2x plus 5. On the next one, much harder. So now, first of all, we got to send the 3x over. So when the 3x gets sent over, it becomes a negative 3x. And now, to get y by itself, we need to divide everything by negative 2. So we get y equals, and the two negatives are going to cancel, so we get 3 halves x. And positive 4 divided by negative 2 is going to be a negative 2. So there's your two equations. So we're going to need to graph them just like we did the last problem. I'm going to slide my sheet up a little bit here. Okay, zoom in a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to graph them. So I'm going to draw myself a coordinate plane. It's okay if you don't have graph. Do your best. And we'll do it in pink since it's already in pink. So start up 5. Remember, y equals mx plus b. B is the y-intercept. It's where you start on the y-axis. That's why I have a dot at 5. From there, I need to go down 2 over 1. And once we have our 2 points, draw your line. And like I said, you don't have to be perfect. I know you may not have rulers at home. You may not have graph paper, but it's no big deal. Next, we're going to start down 2. And you may think it's going to be harder since you have a fraction, but it's not. It's actually easier because you already know you rise and run. So we are going to rise 3 and run 2. So we'll go up 3 over 2. Okay, so you graphed them. So really, we've done nothing new that we haven't done in our bell ringers yet. And now to find the solution, we want to know where the lines cross. So this one, it looks like they're going to cross it over 2 up 1. So this is our guess. Now, the way to find out if that's the exact answer, we're going to plug it in. So I'm going to take this orange, and I'm going to plug in 2 for all the x's. And I'm going to plug in 1 for all the y's. And we're going to see if it's true. So up here, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1. Does 4 plus 1 make 5? Yes, it does. Here, 3 times 2 is 6, minus 2 times 1 is 2. Does 6 minus 2 equal 4? Yes, it does. You know you did it right. If everything works out when you plug them in, you're finished. So you know your answer is 2, 1.